Today we're talking about how technology hijacks your attention. Andrew Huberman explains that every time you check a notification, your brain's dopamine and noradrenaline systems shift gears. It's like your brain taps the brakes and then hits the gas again. Those tiny shifts feel harmless, but they drain your ability to stay locked into a task. Over time, your brain gets wired for shallow focus instead of deep concentration. Think of the last time you were studying and your phone buzzed. Did you answer it or did it distract you even if you didn't? How long did it take to get back into focus? Write down a number, 30 seconds, 5 minutes, or more. The truth is, your attention is a limited resource. If you let tech scatter it, your focus will always feel fragmented. If you set boundaries, you give your brain a chance to train deep work, the kind of focus that leads to stronger learning. What's one way you could block interruptions during your next study session? Scion. Could you silence notifications, flip your phone upside down, or set a 20-minute timer? Today you learned that every notification pulls your brain out of focus, and it takes energy to get back in. Remember, attention is limited. Protect it like it matters. Try a 20-minute no-distraction timer today and see how it feels. Small steps like this build the system of deep focus you'll rely on for every subject.